Hello friends, welcome back to block project in Laravel 10. Last video we have discussed how to create a pages we have created some pages like a home, about, terms, gallery, blocks and contact us. In this video we can make like a dynamic this is the block we have added inside admin side. I already created some demo blocks inside admin side so you can see it here. So this block we need to make here dynamic like 1 2 3. After we can add another blocks and we can show it here, and also we can make like a pagination. So pagination wise, how to see, how we can do it easily, how make read more buttons, how make like a concat like this. The string is big, like here you can see it. Suppose I can edit, so you can see it here like a string is very big. So how to show like first paragraph, like a small paragraph, everything I will explain in this video. So I have one request: you are new inside error solution, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever project related information we are uploading, so you always get notification and you can start easily learning like a PHP development. Okay, and also Laravel. And also we have a website like error solution. So do you want to buy any projects we are creating inside YouTube, so you can buy. Just go to script and you can see it like a lots of script here available. Some script is done, some script is not done, so you can't find the price, and this the amount is you can see it. So do you want to buy, so you can buy it. Okay, so let's start now and I can show you step by step how we can do it. So first of all we need to open like a blocks, means this routes. So routes inside, go to web, inside go to blocks. So just make zoom out some, and here you can see it like home, inside block. So just go to home controller. I am using go to definition. Suppose do you want to go app http controller, inside you can see it like a home controller. Inside you can go scroll down, so you can see it like here route like a block. Suppose I can make here die and I save these files, so you can see it. Okay, let's show you step by steps. So I just save these files and I just go back again, refresh the page, so you can't found. So what we can do, we need to make here like a one query, like we need to get our blocks. So here just type like get records. Get records means inside we need to store our block data, and here we can do it like a block models. Suppose you are following the series, so what is the block model, so you know about that. Suppose you can see like app, inside model, inside you can see it like a block models. This is the block models. Inside I can create a one function, get records front means like a front side, because get record I think already there here function, so I create a unique function get records. You can see it here. Okay, so just we can create a new function like static functions get record fronts, and here I can make like a query. So same thing we have already queried, right? So just copy and paste and you can put here, and here we can make like some other condition like he is already active, he is a publish mode, so we need to show, otherwise we don't want to show. So where blocks dot status is equal to 1 means is the active. Let me go and check inside block list. So simple, just go to resources, inside go to views, inside go to backends, inside go to blocks, inside you can see it like a list. Inside we have already made a query, so you can see it like is publish is equal to 1, so means active. Same like status is equal to 1, so is a means active. Let's go down and you can see it here is not empty not means not 0, so is active. So simple, is publish active, and also we need to do like a status. So let's go back again and we can put here same thing, you can copy and paste and you can put here. And also you can do it like a order by, because latest block also always need to show first. So block.id descending orders, sorry, DSC, 1 minute, DSC, and here I can make like a paginate. I think we can show like a 20 blocks, whatever we need to show, so we can show it here. And here I can type like a returns, just remove r means dollar and we can remove the equal to. So this is the returns. Let's go back again and we need to declare these block models in above, like here you can type like use app slash models slash block models. Okay, now we also need to pass here data, because we ever store here all the records, so data. So you can see it, here is the declaration done, here also declaration done. Now we need to go to block files and we need to make dynamic our block, like whatever here you can see it before. So let's refresh so you can understand. And always you can refresh so you know whatever error there, so you can see it. I think something error there, so just go back again and we can short check. I can't found the error, so let's go back, refresh the agains. So it take few seconds more. I don't know why it's taking time. Sometime taking, sometime not taking. Now you can see it's now not taking times. So we already get the data. So let's make a dynamic. This is the category name. This is the who is created by, and this is the comment. But comment we can do it like once we can develop like a backend, means like detail page for the blocks. After we can show here dynamic. Okay. So let's go to back again to your block file. So here you can see like block.blade.php. Here our coding there, you can see it here. This is the first block, so here you can see it like this is the first. This is the second, so here you can see it second. So simple, just you can make here like for each loop, and here you can make hash dollar value, and here you can do like a and for each. Okay, so let's make some zoom out so you can see it. Like here is a, we can start like for each loop, and here we have and rest of block we need to remove, we don't need now anymore. So just you can minimize and you can remove whatever do you want to like this you can do it. Okay, this is very simple, just you can remove. I think last one we don't want to remove because here is a, like their page ignition something there. Yes, you can see it here page ignition. So let's remove above one. So let's remove and go back and refresh the page so we can check is working not working. Okay, so just refresh the page, so you can see it's working, but same block. Why same block? Because of we ever did like a for each loop, because our admin side you can see it like a 3 blocks here, you can see it. Let's click on the block list so you can see it 3 blocks, you see. So it's perfect, no issue. This is the we don't want to change. I will show you how we can change, like category wise we can create a blocks. This time we can change, so don't worry about that. Okay, let's go back again and we can make dynamic now. Here is I copy and I can put here titles, title, title. You can go database and you can check it, so you can see it like a block table inside is there titles column, so you can see it. Let's open so you can see it here, taking few seconds. I don't know, sometime take time, sometime not take time. So but you can see it here is you can see it like find dynamic title, you can see it here, you see. Also is still not opening. Okay, open, you see title. And some block I have removed, you can see like is delete is equal to 0 0, but also I need to make condition like is deletes, so we know okay is deleted block we don't want to show here. I think we already put here delete button not made condition, so just you can copy and paste and you can put like is delete is equal to 0. This block we need to get, otherwise we don't want to get because this block is already removed. Just save these files and just go back and refresh the page. So here you can see like 3 blocks, so also always showing 3 blocks. Title is dynamic. Now we need to change images, so here you can go scroll down. So we have already created like one function like get images, so just copy this images function and you can go back and here is the images, just make dynamic. It's very simple because of we have already done like a dynamic images how to get. So just simple, just save and just go back. Suppose you are follow the series, so we have already used inside backend side block inside list, same thing. You can scroll down and you can see it here, you see get images. So simple, we can do here same like things. Just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like height width is changed because of we ever did like this block. So let's make first control charts. Okay, I refresh the page. Now I can do spec elements and I can make like control Y again because I need to show like whatever did our block site, our block images. Just open the new page and copy paste links. How to use like CSS so you can understand. Right now this is our size. So simple, just scroll and here you can see it like image 600 to 400. Okay, so no doubt, so just go to here and you can put like heights 400 px. Okay, I think this is the image size showing, but our size is showing like 233. So our we can make like 233 px. This is our block size. You can see it same size, you can see it. And also you can put here like a width is equal to 100 px. Okay, now we need to do another thing because the image is like crash. So object fit cover you can do, so like this show, content is like this show, another is cover, so it look like show. So always use covers. Just copy this css and you can put here, and after back again refresh the page, so you can see it here. So you can see it block showing professional way, like our image is showing good way, you can see it. Like you can refresh here page, so also you can see it here. Next part is like a dynamic like username, and third part is like a our category name. So simple, we need to put here our username. So we already put here conditions like go up, you can see it like username, like who is a created and who is a category. Simple, just copy and you can put here our username, $value username. Same thing you can do it like back like here, category name. We can make this dynamic, like once you can click, so it's going to inside, but I can show you next video. So in this video just follow, and here you can make like 0 because this part is not done, so I can't make it here. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page. So you can see Laravel tutorials, admins, here Laravel tutorial, and here showing the PHP tutorials. So now we need to make this code is dynamics. So simple, just you can remove here and we can put our description. Suppose I can put our description, so our description is very big. Let's show you so you can understand easily. Like URL, descriptions, and $value, and here you can put like our HTML there inside description. So just put like this, and just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it here. You see our description look like so, but it's not professional. Why we need to use like this? So we need to concat our description, like we need to cut substring. So how we can do it? Here is a easily function. First of all, we have some like a stripe tag like inside HTML there. So simple, you can use this code and I can put here. I already get how to do. Okay, so just remove back the line. First I will start the HTML because we need to do stripe tag. I did after I use like str function and sub str. 0 means first column to 170 do you want to use, we don't want to use more. So let's go back again, refresh the page, and you can see it like a small, you see. So do you want to make like 116, so also you can use like 116 here, you can see it. Okay, let's make 175, and here you can make like triple dots, so look like professional. This is the reason, otherwise no any reasons, you see it. Okay, now same thing we can do with title, because sometimes title is big, sometimes title is small, so we just need to use like 2 lines. So just you can copy for this one same, and you can put here like a title again. Just make scroll down, you can put here and just copy title and paste here, and you can change here like a 30, I think so. Let's go back again, we can check is working not working. Just need to show 2 lines. With 2 lines is we can make like a 40. Whatever do you want to think, you can put here like 40 also good, so let's leave it 40. Okay, and also we need to make here like a link, so just you can put like a href, and here you can put like a link. I know bottom is read more there, this reason here not put, but we can put like a 2 place. One is the title, you click, so it's going to detail page, and also you can click on the read more, so also going to detail page. So here is since clicking. Okay, here also there read more. Now is the last part about like a page ignition. Read more button we can do it tomorrow, because in this video I can't cover. We need to create a detail page, and after I can show you. Okay, so now we are remaining about like a page ignition. So how to work page ignition? Simple way, we already did inside list, so just go to back and just copy all thing and put here. No need to do anything else, and just remove. So get records appends after we use this plugin and after we did like links. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page. So let's see it's working, not working. So right now here no found because of 3. Suppose I can go to blog models and I can put like here 1. So you can see it here pagination. So you see, like suppose I go 2, so it's 2. Suppose I go to third, so you can see third, and you can see it here page changing. So just go back again and you can make like 20 again back. Whatever do you want to like, you can put your one and you can do it. So now we need to do like a read more. So how to provide slug, so I can show you. So just go to blocks and here you can put like a URL like blog slash and dot. We need to concat our slug because we need to use our slug wise. So slug is there inside database. Suppose you are follow the series, so you know how to make a slug. Here you can see it. Okay, just copy same thing and go back above and we can put inside a link also same thing. Just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like slug. So we did like blog inside, you see blog after slug, but I don't want to do is a blog keywords here. I need to use direct slug because this is our blog tutorial. So just remove, and also you can remove here. So next video we can show how to work slug directly. Suppose you can go to any blog website, so you can see it like this, suppose sometimes a category wise also showing, so we can do it category wise, but we don't want to do like this. We need to make like a SEO friendly. So next video I can show you how to make a detailed page. I hope you have clear everything what I did today, like how to make like block dynamics, and I have explained everything. And sometime I have free, so I can make like another video for this one, like how to make it dynamic. I hope you can clear everything. So do you have a question in this video, so please comment out inside YouTube, and please subscribe and please press the bell icon, and thank you for watching.